If I want to engage you in quality control inspections, how soon in advance of the inspection date do I need to contact you?
Generally, you would want to contact us to book the inspection 4 to 7 days in advance. Now, if it's the first time that you're conducting an inspection, maybe you would want to do it earlier, like 7 days, because there's a lot of information that we need to get from you and ensure everything is correct. Another factor to consider is that we have a peak season because people produce things for the holidays. During peak seasons, you want to really try and book the inspection as far in advance as possible so that there are no booking issues.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.